And I can tell you from the very good job that was done by our officers, from the assistant chief all the way to the regional commissioner, today we have a database that is accurate for all farmers across the country. And it is that data that we used for the fertilizer subsidy program that has been very successful. Officers of National Government Administration, I want to congratulate you and tell you today, President William Ruto is your #1 advocate, that you are good people. We want to confirm today that this administration will never assign officers of administration and the police political duties. First and foremost, they are bad at it, so it is not wise to apply them that way. Number two, they have a job to do, and they are paid for to protect life and property, to create peace and harmony, and to spur development. I want to assure you that our MPs here from our side of the coalition should never ask you to assist them to do politics. And if they tell you, look for us. Even if they are in Kenya Kwanza, they are in UDA, you are not their errand boys. That is not your work. And Professor, you have said you are going to arrest people. Yeah. When you took this job, I told you, this job you have no friends. Even myself, if I do something wrong, come for me. Yeah. Because now, this work of national security is non-negotiable. I mean, it's such an important aspect of our existence as a country that anybody who violates the law, who gets involved in criminal activities, you must be prepared for the consequences. I invite leaders to read the Penal Code, Cap 63.